Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Today I'm going to share with you Buddha's Delight, aka mixed vegetables. Do you know how to say vegetables in Chinese, Mr. Cameraman?
蔬菜.
蔬菜. Good job. Let me show you the ingredients. Here's a vegetable party. I have 8 kinds of vegetables. You can use any vegetables you have in your refrigerator. And this is white mushroom, string beans, carrots, napa cabbage, wood ear mushrooms. This is a regular cabbage, and broccoli, and cauliflower. And also for protein, I already pan fried tofu. If you want to know how to pan fried tofu, I will list the link in the description box. It's very easy. So this is a protein. And I have minced garlic, green onions. This is white part, this is the green part. And we need sesame oil. Can you see it? This is a slurry, just potato starch, or you can use corn starch mixed with water. That's it. So we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to medium. I'm gonna add some oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use vegetable oil or even olive oil. First, we're going to saute minced garlic. And white part of green onions. Saute it till they are fragrant. Now we add our vegetables. So traditionally, you blanch the vegetables, then you stir fry. So we're going to make it easier. So we add vegetables, which take a longer time. Will be our string beans, carrots, napa cabbage, and mushrooms, cauliflower, a regular cabbage. So we'll leave broccoli and the wood ear mushroom later. Give it a stir. Add some salt. Now we're going to add water. Just halfway to the vegetables. So we basically steam them in the pan. And cover it. We're going to cook about 5 minutes. 5 minutes passed. Now let's add our broccoli, wood ear mushrooms, mix. Cover again. Let's cook another 2 minutes. Now we're going to add fried tofu. Wow, it's great, right?
It's great.
Color.
Smells
beautiful
great.
colors. And green onions. Let me just taste quickly. Maybe salt. Now we're going to thicken it with our slurry. Yeah, just very thin slurry. That's perfect. And we finish with some sesame oil. Our Buddha stilla is ready. Wow, love the colors, right? Just enough sauce. 8 vegetables. Fried tofu. You ready to try?
Ready to try. Really nice. Let me try the tofu now.
Because it's pan fried. It has some texture.
Wow.
Oh dear. Crunchy. If you like brown sauce, you can add soy sauce or oyster sauce. So I made this vegan. So it's delicious. You can even add a little bit of chicken stock to flavor it. Please leave me a message below if you ever had the Buddha's delight, and please try to make it. It's very simple to make it. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to our channel to keep us going. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.